Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain what Vikings sounded like. The language they spoke was Old Norse, a North Germanic tongue. Linguists meticulously reconstructed sounds by examining ancient texts, runic inscriptions, and comparing it to its modern descendants. It's important to remember that Old Norse wasn't a single, static sound. Pronunciation varied across different regions and evolved over several centuries. Old Norse possessed a fascinating phonetic structure. It featured a comprehensive vowel system, distinguishing between long and short vowel sounds. Unique consonants such as the thorn and eth represented th sounds, similar to English. A key characteristic was that word stress almost always fell on the first syllable. Additionally, some vowels were nasalized, meaning air passed through the nose during pronunciation, adding to its distinct sound. The Old Norse language was not entirely uniform. It comprised two primary dialects, Old West Norse and Old East Norse. These were spoken across various Viking settlements, from Norway and Iceland to Denmark and Sweden. Over several centuries, the language underwent significant evolution. As it gradually transformed into the modern Scandinavian languages, its pronunciation naturally shifted and diversified, reflecting regional developments and linguistic changes. The legacy of Old Norse lives on today. Modern Icelandic is considered the closest living language to it, preserving much of its grammar and vocabulary. Interestingly, many common English words like sky and knife have Old Norse roots. Linguists continue to study ancient sagas and runic inscriptions, which provide invaluable insights into this historical language. Understanding Old Norse truly enriches our appreciation for the rich culture of the Vikings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.